How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to improve your posture permanently at home. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So I'm going to show you guys about 4 different exercises, maybe even 5, that you can do. This is going to be a workout. First exercise we want to do is a reverse fly. At the very end of the rep, we want to squeeze our upper back. So you're going to start here, and then right there, you're going to squeeze your upper back. That's 2. Most people, their shoulders are rounded. So by squeezing your upper back, you naturally retract the shoulders, and it literally puts you in a perfect posture position. So again, when we get here, squeeze your upper back. It's 9. Perfect. Quick little break. So again, poor posture. By retracting the shoulders, you get into perfect posture position. Just like that, you guys. The next thing that we're going to do is chest raises. So you're going to get your chest like this. And all we're going to do is raise our chest, and this pulls our shoulders back. So again, raise your chest, bend over like this, raise your chest. That's 3, 4, we want to do 10 reps, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. Quick little break. Next exercise we're going to do is a stretching exercises. So get your hands like this. Now really stretch as high as you can. Try to touch the ceiling. Again, it's just a cue. You won't actually be able to. And just hold this position. What we are trying to do, you guys, is we're trying to stretch the torso a little bit. This will allow us, if we have any tight muscles or anything like that, so it'll help to loosen them, especially if it's in the back. This can help posture. So again, keep going, keep going, keep going. Perfect, you guys. Okay, we're going to go back to retracting your shoulders just like this. 2, 3. And again, this is a great workout to do, you guys. 5. Perfect. We're then going to go back to here. Raise your chest. 1. And again, just like this. This is a great exercise. Really get into good position. And trust me, by doing these exercises, you will notice your posture will start to get better. So, end of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.